The Enforcement Directorate has issued fresh summons to Congress Interim President Sonia Gandhi to appear before it on July 21st in the National Herald case. Official sources said that Sonia Gandhi has been asked to be deposed before the investigators at its headquarters around 11 a.m. on July 21st. The fresh summon was issued as Sonia Gandhi could not join the ED investigation in the case due to COVID-19. The agency had earlier issued similar summons to Sonia Gandhi as she did not appear before the investigators on June 8th and then June 21st due to COVID-19. The Congress leader had developed a mild fever on June 1st evening and was found COVID-19 positive upon testing the next morning. The ED had on June 1st summoned Sonia Gandhi to appear before its investigators on June 8th in the case for the first time in connection with a money laundering case involving the National Herald.